show you how to make healthy chicken sandwich. Usually children make faces if you give them vegetables or leafy vegetables. Today I'm going to show you a healthy sandwich which you can give to your children as a breakfast, as evening snack, or maybe in their tiffin boxes. For this I have taken chicken. We are going to make only one sandwich. I've taken some 100 grams of boiled chicken, shredded cabbage. These are fresh methi leaves, freemrit leaves. We'll be taking veg mayonnaise and 2 slices of bread. I've cut the sides. I've kept this ready. Just mix everything with mayonnaise. Spread it like this. Add some fresh leaves, methi leaves. You can add palak, dill, whatever you want. And the sandwich is waiting. Complete this. You can have this with your favorite ketchup sauce. Let me taste it. Fantastic. Thank you.